Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TVIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, as the markets have continued to grind higher, this one has gotten pushed further and further downwards. Although as things stand right now, an interesting pattern has taken place. And, just because this pattern's taken place, I don't want to make it seem like only if trading were this easy, but it's not that easy. And so I don't want to make it seem like just because this pattern has taken place that for sure, there's some sort of upwards bounce that is for sure going to happen. But it's certainly an area that's worth noting. And this pattern here that is working on being formed is what I would call a falling wedge pattern. Now, falling, I realize, sounds like it would be a bearish pattern, but actually a rising wedge is a bearish pattern. A falling wedge is a bullish pattern. So once again, just because there's a bullish, natured pattern starting to form, does not mean that this thing's, skyrocketing up to, $8. But, would it be shocking to see some sort of attempted bounce back to the upside? No, that wouldn't be, wouldn't be shocking at all. But before any other really further talk of any sort of upwards movement, the prices first got to at least get up through that trend line here, which as you can see over the course of the day, really was a massive thorn in the side of the chart. I mean, time and time again, the price tried to work its way upwards, and it just, quite literally basically 4 times, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, actually 5 times right there. So, point being, a whole bunch of times, price tried to get above that trend line and couldn't quite do it. So that's definitely a very important level. And then, of course, as far as just, as levels of support, the main level to watch is going to be right there at 605 for the very simple reason that if the price goes down to 605 and then just crashes through there, well, not only would that be putting the price at new lows, that would also be destroying the bottom portion of this falling wedge pattern, and the wedge would no longer be in play. So it's important from a couple different areas there. But in the event the price does get the breakout to the upside, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Initial level of resistance, keep an eye on, going to be right up here at the $6.25 mark. And if the price can get a good solid break of that area, then at that point, next key overarching level, not until up around $6.40. So certainly an interesting setup going forward. Still plenty of work to be done, but yeah, worth keeping an eye on. So let's see if anything happens with it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.